Good morning. Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, I would like to speak about those dumbass pad ads which you see in media. It's like a celebration of our bodily functions, which is so normal, which happens on every month. I see the models in the ads. They are literally partying and celebrating it, as though it's a kind of an event like to be celebrated, like a festival. I just can't believe the way they romanticize even the most basic things in life to sell a product. The end thing is to sell their lame ass pads, which are an environmental hazard. Sorry, but even I'm using that because I have no choice at the moment, and I will try to reduce it eventually. But the fact being, the is selling their product, right? And so they make it, oh wow, nothing can stop you. In fact, I see these women in the ads wearing tight white tight pants, shorts, white white in color. And in reality, I think when you have periods, you wear dark colors, basically black or dark blue or something, just in case if you have a stain. But here you see these women jumping and dancing and laughing and smiling and driving and hiking and boating and playing football. Seriously, when you have your periods, you are so exhausted because of loss of blood, right? Look at the amount of misinformation they are spreading, advertisement, just to sell their dumbass product. You are completely exhausted, you're fatigued, you have several mood disorders, let alone smiling and laughing. You'll be like a dragon, you'll be like touchy, you'll be like trying to just just have this kind of a meltdown or a breakdown. You're just crying or you're just overreacting, and people are saying, hey, why are you overreacting? Are you on a PMS? Yes, because our body does go through such massive changes, hormonal changes, during those 3 to 4 5 days, right? So these are very sensitive. This is a very sensitive time. The last thing you will be doing is running around just to prove yourself that you're some sort of a goddess or a princess or you're a special person. No, we are women. We are supposed to go through this period of ovulation. That's it. Even the female counterparts parts in the animal kingdom also have periods. I don't think it is even noticed or even talked about, right? So why is this big hoopla made a big deal about pads? There was this idiotic movie called Padman by Akshay Kumar. Like, seriously, yes, we need to go natural, but due to convenience sake, we have to use these products. We are living in a city, we are working, we have no choice. We have to use it because they're convenient. Use and throw, because we do not want to see that red stinky cloth to be washed. It is so uncomfortable, and you can't go around changing that and washing it and then drying it. There are so many other issues if you go natural, right? All we can do is go through the natural alternative of pads, which is also a good deal, which is made from organic products, but they are not easily available. So when they are showing a woman, especially women dancing, joking around, having fun, like they are like not, even the periods can stop you. Yeah, you have to go to work. Sometimes I feel if they want to get away with some excuse, a female will say, "Yeah, I'm on my days or I have my periods." So periods also becomes an excuse for bad behavior sometimes. But it's not always. Yes, a woman goes through huge changes during that 3 to 4 days. 5 days is practically uncomfortable, bleeding. You're always worried about your stains touching your dress. And I can't imagine anybody wearing such tight shorts. Na? Like, I don't know what they are called, the extreme shorts. So you're always very careful, you're on guard. Moreover, um, you are craving to eat a lot of salty or sweet food just for mood elevation, or you want to have sex, where that's the time when you're like tripping to have more and more sex. Another thing is that you want to sleep, you just want to close the door because you're sensitive to a lot of light and sound. Sometimes you just want to just cut off with everybody and just go to sleep and just rest. Yes, because you're losing blood. The last thing you want to behave is like this athlete during that time. Okay, so the kind of fake things they show, these advertisements, it's really sad. It's heartbreaking, because then, okay, we go around doing our normal activities. In the past, what used to happen in some cultures, that they leave the woman in a corner and she sits there the whole day with her bleeding body. No, you don't have to be that special. You can just use your pads and go around doing your normal work. You don't have to be the victim, oppressed kind of category, you know. And they're not allowed to be in the kitchen and all that. No, you have to. Dumbass kind of a thing is that when you're living alone or you are living with your family, sometimes you have no choice. You have to go into the kitchen and do your work or do your daily chores. You have to do it, unless and until your husband is helping you or your children is helping you, then it's good. So yes, I would request all men not to take it lightly and just get carried away with what your media says, because every woman is unique, every woman is different, so her reactions will be different. So everything doesn't come on, oh, you're PMSing. No. And you won't believe, during these periods, women gets backache, a lot of them, because severe backache, you get cramps in your feet, and in your whole body is very bloated, the stomach is very bloated. The last thing you want to wear glamorous clothes and dance around. um, then you get nausea, certain smells, certain foods, you just feel so pukey, and then you get severe headaches like migraine. So yes, those few days are troublesome, unlike what they show in the pad ads, wearing white and as though you're some kind of an angel, dancing around with your friends and driving. I said, why do you need only those few days to behave extra proactive and hyperactive, right? And why should it be shown that, oh, since you are using your product, you become a goddess, you're so empowered, you're so entitled because you're using so and so sanitary pad, which is super absorbent. It takes all the blood off and keeps you dry. No, it doesn't keep us dry, it just makes us a bit comfortable. It's something. They show that that blue liquid being dropped on pads, and they're showing how absorbent. Yes, but we need to change it 3 times in a day, depending upon the flow, sometimes 4. If you're in your later stages, maybe the bleeding is little less, but eventually, when in your younger days, yes, it's heavy flow. So please, super observant, as though that one pad will last for another 3 days or 5 days. Nonsense is this. So this glamorous side of it, especially when they show actresses, oh, I've changed to this particular brand. Who knows what you're using? You must be using tampons. Now there are tampons, there are different menstrual cups. So some people must be using different kinds of products, but their favorite celebrity is using this brand. Who knows? Every experience for every different female is different. It's not the same. So earlier I used to be initially very uncomfortable to talk about this subject. I used to think this is very personal matter, but then I said, people are talking very openly and there are ads, then why am I behaving like this prude kind of a thing? Prudish. Oh, I'm a touch me not plant. No. And sometimes when people call you for events, and yes, you are uncomfortable. Sometimes if you want to skip, you say, no, I'm on my days or something of that sort. We make up these excuses to skip certain events and conversations and people and places. There's no doubt. Yes, because that time is very, very special. Like, you just want to lie down, you want somebody to pamper you because the whole body is in pain and you're so much in discomfort, everything is uncomfortable. Like, and as I said, you have different mood fluctuation. Just by wearing your pad will not take off all my pain. For that, I'll need to take a painkiller or eat my bag of salted potato chips or eat a heavy sweet pastry just to feel better because I'm losing blood, right? So that time you feel like eating very sweet things sometimes. You're just craving for it, like. So yes, I would say that this is basically product placement. Just to sell your products, you are, even the most basic bodily function are like literally over the top, dramatized, irritating, annoying. So sisters, please share your comments, your experiences, your feelings, because it's very important. And men, if you do have any insight to give on this topic, please feel free to do so. But yes, this glamorization of pad ads is really beyond my understanding. It's irritating and it's absolutely not required. But what to do? It's a $1 billion industry because every woman uses it in her lifetime. So you can imagine, what are they selling? They're selling us some sort of a delusional kind of a world where everything is perfect during these painful times also. Selling us hope, selling us like good times, like as though it's some sort of a drug or something. This is a fucking ad. Pad, that's it. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my content. Like, share, subscribe. I know lately I've been doing a lot of quick question series because these are very spontaneous. So whenever a thought comes into my mind, and it's just 16 seconds, if it's an issue, please do not watch it, but they will be there. As in, when I have questions in my head which were always there regarding religion, especially regarding religion, the hypocrisy, the rampant hypocrisy which is happening, or any other topic, I will definitely speak out. Thank you once again, and have a wonderful day.